Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus. The Bellapais Gothic monastery is located on the slopes of the Five Fingers mountain range in the Kyrenia area. The beauty of the 13th century French Gothic Bellapais Abbey has passed through different historical periods, each of which has significant traces in it. The abbey was originally founded by Saint Mary of the Burn just after 1200, Augustine, who escaped from the royal Jerusalem. The abbey had the right to wear the wise thing and golden spurs, which increased the abbey's claims to the archbishopric of Nicosia. In 1240 it benefited from great wealth, which was left there by a knight known as Rodger Norman, who gifted them with the gift of an alleged fragment from the true cross. When the Genoese occupied the island in 1373, the abbey fell into disgrace. The treasury was broken open and the wealth of the abbey plundered, including a piece of the cross. The monastery fell victim to the onslaught of moral and physical decay. The monks like to corrupt themselves and never regain your former reputation. The Ottomans looted the abbey in 1570 and left it in poverty. What happened to the monks and their families is not known. The abbey came under the protection of the Orthodox Church and served religious services, and from 1974, most of the monastery buildings then fell apart. The stones were used by the villagers to build nearby cottages. During the British administration, the building was taken care of a little better. The building served in the army, but even so the abbey suffered because of man. Repair work began gradually only from 1960. The buildings are constantly undergoing a program of restoration, including repair. What we can see today is a mixture of completed and destroyed parts, while some parts of the monastery are still in excellent condition. This place is definitely worth a visit.